guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another trying on lashes video. I have all three sets of the Spectrum Mean Girls lashes. You've got Karen, Gretchen and Regina. So I thought I'd try them all on today. I know it's only 3 pairs, so that's all Spectrum did. And I thought it'd be a good time to try them on. Because I've only got like a really simple eye look on. So let's do this. I like the packaging. The packaging is obviously the Mean Girls that the lashes are for. It also gives you a tip on how to apply them, etc. Please ignore my phone. They come in this plastic packaging. Right, so this one is Karen. Karen is a really small tapered lash. I don't know if you can tell. But she is quite fluffy. So let's put these bad boys on. I don't think I'll have to trim them. Now Karen is a lot smaller than I'm used to wearing, and I don't know if you're going to see it overall. Oh, actually, yeah, you can. I definitely don't need to trim them though, so let's get the glue on. I'm just using the House of Lash glue, and because there's only 3 pairs, I am going to put them on both eyes this time. I didn't wait for the glue to set properly. Just going to pinch them together. Now these are just a little bit longer than my natural lashes. I don't know if you can tell. Let me just put the other one on. So that is what Karen looks like. She is a lovely lash. Like I say, very natural. Tapers off. These would be a good lash to have if you're not wearing any eye makeup but you do want to like zhuzh up your own lashes, because they are quite small. I don't know if it's just because I'm used to bigger lashes, but yeah, they are lovely them. I do actually like them. So the next lash I'm going to go in with is Gretchen. Again, it's in the nice packaging, and then you pull it out and you're like, so pretty. These are quite similar to the Karen ones, only they're, I wouldn't say, they're all one length, whereas the Karen ones had like short and long ones in, like wispy through it. These ones are all one length, but they are still tapered into a like a cat flick. So I'm going to put the glue on and we'll get these bad boys on my eye. Ooh, those are nice. So those are Gretchen, and you can see that they are, because obviously they are one length in the shape, whereas the other ones were a bit more wispy, you can see that they do look a bit fuller on the eye. So yeah, I like those ones. Again, you could use these on no makeup days or light makeup days. Like if you were going to be like really intense cut crease and everything, I don't think that suit that kind of look, just because they are a smaller lash. But I think just to emphasize your own lashes, I do think they are really nice and they're so comfy, like that you don't feel them. I can't feel them at all. So other than the fact that this is like my 3rd pair of lashes today, so my eyes don't like all the glue, but yeah, other than that, yeah, you can't feel anything. So yeah, that is Gretchen. Finally we come to Regina. Regina are the biggest in the set. So let's have a look. Again, the nice packaging, and Regina lash is stunning. Yeah, Regina is lovely. So let's get these on my eyeballs. I'm just going to measure them just to see if I need to trim them, because these are bigger than the other ones. Oh no, she's fine. She's a beautiful lash. So the Regina lash is a lot of crossing action. I don't know what you crisscross action at the band, and then obviously that wisps out. They are a lot longer than the other ones, so these have got a bit more action to it, which I do like, but they are really, really lightweight as well. So I've got like so much glue on my lashes, and then because I did a no makeup look before this, I put loads and loads of mascara on. So now my face hates me. So easy to put on. I think these lashes would be perfect if you're a beginner as well. just because the band is so lightweight. I think it'd be a lot easier to work with. Oh, she's lovely. Regina is a beautiful lash. I forgot to go close, sorry. I like her. Right, so that is all 3 sets of lashes, and I've obviously still got Regina on my eyeballs now. These are really, really nice lashes. The band is nice and flexible. It's nice and thin. If you are a beginner or you don't like a heavy lash, I think these would be perfect. Gretchen and Karen are, to me, more of an everyday lash. If you're not used to lashes, you'd probably rock them for a night out. I wouldn't obviously wear like uber heavy makeup because it'll overpower the lashes, but I think they are a really lovely lash. Regina is my favourite just because she is so long, and I do think they suit me. But yeah, I just think she's a really lovely lash. I cannot even feel that they're on. So that's how nice they are, and yeah, I just think they're really, really comfortable. So if you do want these, check out the Spectrum website. I will try and link them down below. I'm really hoping you can still buy them now after all this time. But yeah, they are definitely worth a try. So if you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know which is your favourite style down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!